Hi guys, I'm Junie the Orange Huntress. Today's video you don't want to miss how I take my fish dish from this to this. Let's get started. I used pike and walleye fillets that we got from the fish that our friend Jordan brought us. If you want to check out some really fun spearfishing videos, you should check out his channel. I'll have it linked down in the description. He is quite awesome. I cut those up into 1.5 to 2 inch chunks and set them aside. I also grabbed a mix of scallops, calamari, mussels, and shrimp to amp things up and because I love seafood. Next, I chopped up about 2 cups of onion along with 3/4 of a cup of fresh flat leaf parsley. Then I grabbed my big pot and added 2 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. When that was heated, I put in my onions to saute and they turned translucent in about 4 minutes. I threw in a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, cooked that for another minute, and then added my parsley. And after 2 minutes, I was ready to add my tomatoes. I used 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and then I used about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. While that was sauteing for 10 minutes, I cut up my crusty bread, added some butter and a little bit of garlic powder, and then threw it in the oven to broil. Once the simmer was done and I almost burnt my bread, I added 1 cup of clamato juice, 1 cup of chicken stock, and 1 cup of dry white wine. By this point, my house was smelling amazing, but I still needed the star of the show, that fish, which is about 2 cups, and the seafood, another 2 cups. I gave that a quick stir before I added my 1/4 teaspoon of thyme and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, along with 2 teaspoons of Siracha and salt and pepper for taste. After the fish was flaky and the shrimp was cooked, I did end up adding about 2 tablespoons of salted butter just to round out that flavor a little bit more. Here it is, our yummy seafood soup. What a great way to use your catch of pike and walleye all year round. Thanks again, Jordan, for bringing us these awesome fish. And if you want to see my 8-year-old catch his own 3 fish, you should check this video right here. Or if you want to see some funny hunting videos, check these ones out. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you next Wednesday.